Good evening, Tagalog learners! On this video, let's have the Tagalog markers si and sina with Tagalog adjectives from our previous videos. So, let's start! Some of the adjectives from our previous videos are matangkad, maganda, guwapo, or pogi, kulot, and payat. Now, let's use those with our Tagalog markers si and sina. Before we get to the examples, I want to say first that unlike in English, where we say Gina is cute, for example, the name comes first. In Tagalog, the adjective comes first. So, with our example, Gina is cute. In Tagalog, that would be cute si Gina. Cute si Gina. Guwapo si or pogi si. Who is handsome? Guwapo si Mark or pogi si Mark. Pogi si Alan or guwapo si Alan. Maganda si. Who is beautiful? Maganda si Mara. Or if Mara is famous, sikat si Mara. Sikat si Mara. Matangkad si Boyet. Matangkad si Boyet. Wais. Wais si Sarah. Wais si Sarah. Matangkad si Dean. Matangkad si Dean. Kulot si. Who has curly hair? Kulot si Jessa. Kulot si Jessa. Ngayon, kung napansin nyo, now if you guys noticed, there's only a single name after si. To have two or more names, like for example, to say that Mara and Gina are cute, the plural form of si is used, and that is sina. Cute sina Mara at Gina. Cute sina Mara at Gina. Matangkad sina Mark at Boyet. Matangkad sina Mark at Boyet. Wais sina Rio at Ria. Wais sina Rio at Ria. Here's another thing, my Tagalog learners. You don't have to mention all the names. You can just use one name because you're already using sina. Wais sina Boyet. Wais sina Boyet. Matangkad sina Mark. Guwapo si Nadine. Guwapo si Nadine. Or pogi si Nadine. So, ayan lang po. That's all for tonight's Tagalog video lesson. Babush!